My styles are changing, minds are changing, why everything is changing. So you and I must consider that we're living in very, very changing times. And what might be true today may not be true tomorrow. And without any further ado, I present to you Brother Minister Malcolm. And I pray that you and I will listen, hear, and understand. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Get your hand out of my pocket! Get your hand out of my pocket, nigga! Get your hands out of my pocket! Get your hand out!
Brother, please, hold on. Calm down, please, brother.
Oh my God!
Brother.
Malcolm! Somebody get an ambulance!
They killed him! They killed him!
The person you know as Malcolm X is no more.
The assassination of Malcolm X was an unfortunate tragedy, and it reveals that there are still numerous people in our nation who have degenerated to the point of expressing dissent through murder, and we haven't learned to disagree without being violently disagreeable.